Customers often buy products that naturally belong together, but they purchase them separately. That means multiple orders and extra shipping costs, and missed opportunities.
With fixed bundle plans, you can combine related products into one subscription. Simply create a new bundle, add the products you want, and organize everything into a single recurring purchase. Your bundle is now live. Customers receive everything they need in one subscription, while your business benefits from higher average order value and predictable recurring revenue.
Welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a fixed bundle using the Aon Subscription app on Shopify. First, install the app. Once it's installed, open the dashboard and navigate to the Plan section from the left sidebar. Click on Create Plan, then select the third option, Fixed Bundle. Start by entering a bundle name. For example, you can use Test Bundle or choose any name that suits your store. Next, select the products you want to include in the bundle. A fixed bundle usually contains products that are related to each other. For example, if you're selling coffee, your bundle might include coffee, a mug, and napkins. For this demonstration, I'll select the coffee products. Once you've selected the products, set the quantity for each item in the bundle. Now, scroll down to the Purchase Options section. Here you can choose between both one-time purchase and subscription or subscription only. Now let's configure the subscription frequency. Click Edit, enter a frequency name, and add a description if you'd like. Under Billing and Frequency, choose your preferred billing model. Now move to the Recurring Order section. Here, I'm selecting Same Day as initial order, which means future orders will renew on the same date as the customer's first purchase. Feel free to choose another option if needed. In the Incentive Discount section, you can offer an additional percentage or fixed amount discount. You'll also find the Modified Discount after certain billing option, which allows you to change the discount after a specific number of billing cycles. Next, go to the Policy section. Here, you can configure options such as the subscription policy, fulfillment settings, auto cancellation, and other preferences according to your business requirements. If you want to offer multiple subscription intervals, simply click Add Frequency to create another frequency option. Once you've finished all the configurations, click Save to create your fixed bundle plan. Now let's move to Customize Appearance. This is where you can customize the subscription widget. Start by editing the widget label, then customize the one-time purchase label, subscribe button text, one-time button text, and any other labels you want to display. Next, choose a widget template. Aon Subscription provides several professionally designed templates. For this tutorial, I'm selecting the blue template. Finally, customize the success message and choose which subscription plans you want to display. Click Save, go to Add Block, and open the product where you added the customized widget. As you can see, our subscription widget is now displayed on the product page. When a customer clicks on Subscribe, the success message we configured earlier will appear, confirming that the subscription has been added successfully. Now, save your changes and open your store. Navigate to the product where you applied the fixed bundle plan to verify that everything is working correctly. Let's test it. Click on Subscribe, and as you can see, the success message is displayed exactly as expected. Now you can go ahead and create a test order to make sure the entire subscription flow is working properly. If you need any assistance while setting up your fixed bundle plan, feel free to contact our support team. We're always happy to help. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more Shopify and Aon subscription tutorials.